Hi friends, welcome back. I'm Alisa Abdullaeva and I'm here to help you to create harmonious relationship between a man and a woman. And today I want to go over 3 things how you, dear man, destroy your relationship with a woman. So the first thing, and it's a very common thing, is when a man gives a promise but completely forgets about it. So a woman asks you, your wife or your girlfriend asks you, can you please help me to take a trash out? And you say, sure, let me finish a football. And you watch your football and you completely forget about it, or you think, well, she can take care of it herself. And then you promise her that you're gonna vacuum the floor and you forget. And then you promise her that you're gonna take her to the concert and you forget about it. And then you promise her that you're gonna fix the shelf and you forget about it and you don't do it. And so you keep promising a lot of things, but you are not honoring your word. Basically, you have zero integrity. And a woman gonna stop respecting you, and at some point will think, what a loser, and she will dump you. Yeah. The second biggest thing, a man thinks that a woman shouldn't be protected and she shouldn't be provided. Especially this is happening in a Western society. Well, if she needs money, she can go to work. She can even go to second and third and even fourth job. If she needs some money, she can take care of herself. This is happening right now in most relationships and most marriages. And at some point, a woman will feel so exhausted, so tired and overwhelmed that she will also leave this kind of man. Because which woman wants to work like a horse every day and not feel provided and protected? Now, finally, the third reason, very common, is men thinks that I don't need to tell sweet things to my woman. I don't need to tell her compliments. I don't need to buy her flowers. I don't even need to tell her happy birthday and buy her gift. I could forget about our anniversary. I could forget about the birthdays of our kids. I can just forget about giving her the time altogether. And with this kind of attitude, if you don't give a woman time, love, attention, she will also at some point will realize, why do I need a man like that? I'm better off to be alone. So, my friends, if you don't want to lose a woman you're with, you should think about it. Keep your word, provide and protect, and give her attention. Give her the love, care, and attention. Talk to her, because for a woman, a connection is very important.